Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is going to be about the Object Manager. I just did a video earlier today and used the Object Manager, and I thought I'd kind of give you some insight what it's capable of doing. There's several ways. I've got some red circles and some black circles. The black circles have a 1 point. The red circles are a hairline. You could find and replace and select all these, but it'd be a lot easier sometimes in the Object Manager. So go to Windows, Dockers, Object Manager, and right here just click a plus sign on the info. I don't know why Corel does it, but I didn't create these in this order, but it put all the black in one segment and then it put all the red ellipses in another section, or in the list further down the list, instead of just having them on top of each other. So if you'll select, if we wanted to change the weight of the line on all the black ones, select the first one and hold down your shift key and just cursor down to where you get to the end, to the last one, and it's going to select them all. Now, you can do anything with them once you've got them selected. You can make the weight of the line, let's just make it 10 points just so it'll show up good on the video. And it's that easy. And you've still got them selected. You can make the inside of them red, or the outside red, the inside red, take the fill away, and do anything you want. So now they're a fill, but they're all right there. So that's the Object Manager. It can be very helpful, very useful sometime when you're selecting things. If you had not done that, if you didn't use the Object Manager and you wanted to select these, you would have to carefully select them, hold down the shift key, carefully select them, hold down the shift key, and you can see how this could run into problems. And just to show you that I do have mine, delete them. But the Object Manager would do that quite a bit faster. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.